Vivo launched its new smartphone under S50 lineup in China called Vivo S50t. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo S50t features a 6.59-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 735 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo S50t sports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's LYT700V sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is another 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom plus OIS support, along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 110-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos. The device comes backed by a massive 6,500 mAh battery with 90 watts wired fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR Blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 157.52 by 74.33 by 7.59 millimeters, and it weighs around 196 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo S50t has been priced in China for 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at 3,199 Chinese yuan, while the 16GB plus 512GB storage model is priced at 3,499 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in blue, confession white, deep space black, and inspiration purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo S50t smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.